Hello friends, now we will do an exercise based on the simple present yes or no questions. Now I already told you anything to do with simple present you have to insert do. Without that you cannot do anything. Negative or questions or yes or no questions, any such thing. Understand? So here we are done. I think you have done an exercise on that is insertion of do, and now it becomes easy for you. So here Sheba likes grapes. So what will you do? Sheba does like. See, this is the thing. Like grapes. And then what will you do? The two parts for the verb, then bring it to the beginning. Then does Sheba like, not likes, see, that's the point. Grapes. That is the answer. Understand? I think now that is clear to you, right? Yes. So anyhow, I will do it for every sentence. He teaches English. That will be he does teach. Teach, not teaches. English. So there are two parts. Take the first part. Does he teach English? So that's the answer. So we have done 1, 2, 3. You wish to go. So you have got a you do wish to go. So two parts. Do you wish to go? All the pens are there. What happened? All my pens says. Alright, so that is the third one. Fourth one, heaven knows the truth. Heaven does know the truth. So you have to be careful here. Don't say does heaven know, not knows, know the truth. 5. Hell burns. Hell does burn. Does hell burn? Hell burns. People say like that. In hell there is too much. The hell is always burning. So when sinners go there, they will be fried. That's what people say. I don't know. It's a myth. Maybe a myth. Maybe fact. I don't know. Because as Shakespeare says, nobody has gone there. The undiscovered country from whose born not traveler returns, puzzles the will and make us suffer these ills which we have, than to fly to those that we know not. That is Shakespeare. Okay. Then continue. Let's continue. Hell burns, isn't it? Fifth one we have done. Sixth, people go for pilgrimages. People go for pilgrimage, etc. People do go. And that will become do people go for pilgrimages, etc. Sixth, seventh, ill news travels fast. Ill news is always singular. Thus travel fast. Thus travel becomes thus ill news. News is always singular. Travel. See that? Fast. Question. Then 8. It snows. It does snow. That, you see the shifting of the S, that's the main point here. Don't say, does it snows. There is two parts, so bring it beginning. Does it snow? Then 8, 9. 9 is the moon hides behind the clouds. Behind the moon hides. The moon does hide. Hide. So does the moon Does the moon hide behind the clouds? Question mark. Does the moon hide behind the clouds? Yes. And now the next one, that is the moon hides. Now 10th one, clouds hang around. Clouds do hang. Isn't it? Do clouds hang around? First, do clouds hang around? 11. Evil destroys itself. Evil destroys itself. Evil does destroy itself. Does evil destroy, not destroys itself? That's the point here that you have to note. Then you have 12, truth wins. Truth does win. Question will be, does truth win? Not wins. Did you see that? See that? Yes. They swim in the river. They do swim, etc. Do they swim in the river? Etc. That is. And you have got 13, 14. Friends help each other. Friends help. Friends do help. Sorry. Friends do help. Do friends help each other? Do friends help each other? I value my lessons. I do value. When the first person is the subject or NB1, you should change over to the second person question. Otherwise, you will be asking, do I? That will be something strange. You are asking a question to yourself. So that means maybe some psychologist or psychiatrist will say there is something wrong with you. So I will become you. So do you value your essence? Only then you will get the answer. I value my essence. Do you value? Yes, I value. If I ask, do I value? You can also ask the question, and the grammatically is perfectly alright, but something wrong with your, people will say, find fault with you, saying that he must be taken to some place where treatment is required. So don't do that. I hope it is clear to you. You can do more examples. You can have your own sentences. Take a good book. All the books are good. Grammar, texts are good. So you do number of exercises like this. Best thing that you can do is you create your own sentence or generate your own simple sentences, and then you expand it or insert do. Then after that, do does, and then after that you rewrite those in question form. Then it becomes, I think, it will become thorough and you will become a master of it. See? Or take this one sentence and then you can do. First one is you generate a sentence, then you expand it, then you make it negative. See? After that, you make it a question, yes or no question, and after that, in between, you can rewrite again. Rewrite in the present continuous, because we have already done present continuous. So this way, if you do, what happens is, within 6 months, you will become masters of English grammar and also English language. So let's be optimistic. Bye. Till we meet again with another dose, that is exercise or theory. Right? Bye.